breathe out. Easy, easy. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe. Breathe out.
This was painful.
Yeah. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Easy, 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 easy. Are you scared?
Slightly now.
Breathe out. Nice. Okay, just go easy. Breathe. Breathe out. Hi, I'm Dr. Sudarshan. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share this video with people who need it. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Don't block the movement. Easy. Breathe. Yes. Breathe out. Relax.
Yeah.
See, this shows how tense you are. Relax again. Breathe. Breathe out. Easy. Breathe. Breathe out. Ready, practice. Breathe. Breathe out. Relax. For knee pain, any surgery?
No, sorry. Knee pain, no. It's very rare, but whenever I ride a two-wheeler, I get this shoulder and neck issue.
Joke.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the joke.
And plus, I'm not very used to it, so I'm very stressed when.
So basically, I need something where we can spend a day.
Oh.
Okay, we don't have our regular practice like 2 hours every day and all. It's like
The whole day.
once in a week, whole day. Just in position here. Release, relax. Just in position. No other option. Release it. There you go. Okay, now you go back like this. So when I'm going back, you don't move your legs. Okay, just put all your weight on my body. Get that? Yeah. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3. So nice. Take this.
Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Shetty. I'm a dentist. I've come from Chembur and I've been going through this cervical pain since a long time. When I was doing a research on what are the treatment options for this, I came across Dr. Sudarshan's Insta profile and I really want to visit him. Luckily, he was in Bandra and I took a consult from him. I came here with a very bad pain and within 15 minutes of stretching and the exercises he showed me and he made me do, I'm feeling really relieved. I'm going smiling. I didn't come this smiling. Thank you so much.